Namaskar everyone, welcome again to Ria's Lifestyle. In today's video, I'm going to review Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence from Loreal Paris. I'm using this product for past 3 weeks and I will give an honest opinion about this product and how it worked on my skin. So watch the video till the end and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I have been hearing about the benefits of essence in skincare regime for quite some time, and I wanted to really incorporate an essence in my skincare routine. So I thought alright, give this a try, and I have divided this video in few segments. So let's start with the first segment. So what is an essence or why this is necessary? The first thing that I want to say that essence is not toner. Toner and essence are totally different, though they look very similar, very liquidy, watery solution, but toner has a different action on skin. It is beneficial for the pH balance. After face washing, you need to use toner for the pH balance of your skin to retain its normal pH that it is in. And an essence is the first step of moisturization. So we need to use, or anybody need to use, an essence after face washing, then toner, then essence, and it helps the skin to be prepared for other moisturizing stuff to absorb better. So this essence application is the first step of moisturization, like right after cleansing and toning. Generally, essences have different kinds of low molecular weight essences. That's why it's called an essence. And this low molecular weight essence absorbs in your skin very fast and make it able to absorb other moisturizing stuff like serum or night cream or any other moisturizer to be absorbed in your skin better. So in that way, essences are very helpful and very important in skincare regime or to make your skin more luscious. Now the next segment where I will introduce you with the product. This product comes in this packaging. This is a 65 ml pack which cost around 800 rupees, but I have ordered it from Flipkart and I get a discount. Like anybody who will order from Flipkart, there will be like 17 or 15% discount from the actual MRP. So this is the packaging, which is a silver colored packaging, which is very beautiful looking, and this is the product. And you need to use a very less amount of the product each time. It's like 3 to 4 drops of it. So when you open the lid, there is a port where you can just have like 2 or 3 drops of product on your palm, not onto any cotton pad, on your palm, and then just gently pat on your skin. The next segment, in this Revitalift, I observed that there is another very important thing, which is tocopherol. Tocopherol is vitamin E, which makes your skin very luscious and very glowing. We generally use vitamin E capsules for facial, or sometimes we consume vitamin E for good skin. So it has vitamin E in it. And limonene, linalool, both are essential oils, low molecular weight essential oils. And there are other salicylate like benzyl salicylate is present. There are so many ingredients in it and beneficial, of course, but of which some are very important. One of it is the salicylic acid. It contains salicylic acid and benzyl salicylate, which is a derivative of salicylic acid, and this is very much helpful for skin issues like acne problem. So if you use it continuously, it will reduce your acne. There's other thing is Centella asiatica extract, which is a moisturizing, which it's a gum basically, and very helpful for skin rejuvenation and cell regeneration and boosting of skin. So I really loved the beneficial ingredient this essence has. So I want to show you guys that how I use it. So now comes to the next segment. In the next segment, I'm going to show you that how I use it. Basically, I use this product at night regime. You can use it in your morning skincare routine, also at night. But I prefer to use it at night because it stays on your skin, it will boost your skin, and it will get the time to work on your skin to make it more youthful and beautiful. Now I'm going to show you how I use it in this video. So in this video, as you can see, that I am first cleansed my face with my face wash, and then I'm using a toner, and I will pat the toner on my skin and let it absorb in my skin totally, and then I will take 3 drops of this essence on my fingers and will gently pat on my skin, on my face and neck, and then let it be absorbed onto my skin. And after that, I will apply my serum and my night cream or moisturizer on sunscreen. When the time you are using, it depends on it. But it is really beneficial, and it really makes my skin very smooth and shiny, and just after one use you can feel the difference. It will really make your skin very shiny and very supple somehow, and your skin really feels very supple instantly. And I was very astonished by its instant effect, but I used it for 3 weeks, and then I thought, alright, as I'm very much benefited by this product, I should review it and I should give an honest review, an honest opinion about it. Its price is 800, near 800 as I told you earlier, and there are another variant of it which is 130 ml and which is 140 ml, sorry, 140 ml, and which is cost around 1400 rupees. So pocket pinch wise, it is not very cheap product. It is an investment, but the benefit that I got from this is really astonishing. So if you want to be very indulgent for your skincare, so of course you should use it, and I will recommend this product to use it, and you will surely feel a drastic difference in your skin pattern within 1 week, first use of 1 week. And I am really happy with this essence, and I'm looking forward. So as it says that Crystal Micro Essence Smoothing plus Radiance, it really does what it says. So that was the video for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is beneficial for you, and please like, share, and let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.